can get all your engine data on it. Echolot, charts, navigation in 3D. Gonna put it back to instruments on this one. We can do the same thing on the other big screen TV. We're gonna have the charts on it. If we want, oops, and pull up the instruments. One pulls exactly the same as the other one, so you have redundancy on both of them. It's a nice place for the when I'm without you, I'm something weak. You got me begging, I'm on my knees. I be needing your love. We have speed on this side, the depth finder on the other side. That's our course over ground, and that's our map. We can zoom in or out if we want to. Clear cursor. Okay, we have our engine instrument on the right side, but on sequence right now in profile number 1. And we are pretty much ready to go.